Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today we are going to practice asking for directions in English. Conversation 1. Finding the bus stop. Excuse me. Yes, how can I help you? I am looking for the bus stop. The bus stop is 2 blocks away. How do I get there? Go straight down this street, then turn left at the traffic light. Is it far? No, it is only a short walk. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Conversation 2. Finding the grocery store. Excuse me, can I help you? Yes, please. Where is the grocery store? The grocery store is across from the park. How do I get there? Walk straight for 1 block, then cross the street. Can I see it from here? Not yet. After you cross the street, it will be on your right. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Conversation 3. Finding the library. Excuse me. Yes? Could you tell me where the library is? Of course. The library is next to the post office. How do I get there? Walk straight ahead, turn right at the corner, then walk another block. Is the library on the left or right? It is on the left. Thank you. Happy to help. Conversation 4. Finding a restaurant. Excuse me. Yes, what are you looking for? I am looking for a restaurant. There is a good restaurant nearby. How do I get there? Go straight for 3 blocks. Turn left at the bank. The restaurant is next to a bookstore. How long will it take to walk there? About 5 minutes. Great. Thank you for the directions. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Conversation 5. Finding the hospital. Excuse me, can I help you? Yes, where is the hospital? The hospital is on Main Street. How do I get there? Walk straight until you reach the traffic light. Turn right. Continue for 2 blocks. Will I see the hospital? Yes, it is a large building on your left. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Conversation 6. Finding the train station. Excuse me, could you help me? Certainly, I am trying to find the train station. The train station is not far from here. How do I get there? Go straight for 4 blocks. Turn left at the gas station. The train station will be directly ahead. Can I walk there? Yes, you can. It will take about 10 minutes. Thank you. You're welcome. Conversation 7. Finding the bank. Excuse me, do you know where the bank is? Yes, the bank is near the city park. How do I get there? Walk straight ahead, cross the street, then turn right. Is it next to anything? Yes, it is next to a coffee shop. Thank you for your help. No problem. Conversation 8. Finding the post office. Excuse me, could you tell me where the post office is? Sure, the post office is near the library. How do I get there? Go straight down this road, turn left at the second corner. The post office will be on your right. Thank you. You're welcome. Conversation 9. Finding a hotel. Excuse me, I need help finding my hotel. Which hotel are you looking for? The hotel near the shopping center. I know where it is. How do I get there? Walk straight for 2 blocks. Turn right at the traffic light. The hotel is across from the shopping center. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a good stay. Conversation 10. Asking if something is far. Excuse me, can you help me? Of course. Is the museum far from here? No, it is quite close. How do I get there? Walk straight for 1 block. Turn left. The museum will be on your right. How long will it take? About 3 minutes. Thank you. You're welcome. Review practice. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get there? Go straight, turn left, turn right, cross the street, walk 2 blocks. It is on your left. It is on your right. It is next to the bank. It is across from the park. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Excellent work. Today you practiced asking for directions in English. You learned how to ask questions, understand directions, and have simple conversations. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Try listening to this lesson again tomorrow and repeat every sentence aloud. Thank you for learning with Easy English Lessons. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe for more English practice. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next lesson.